Hello, I'm Thinev. Today I'll be talking about one of the cutest birds you'll find in Sri Lanka. The small Pratincole. The small Pratincole, little Pratincole or small Indian Pratincole is a small waders in the Pratincole family. Small bird that resembles a combination of a dove, a swallow and a plover. The small Pratincole is a resident breeder in India, Western Pakistan, Bangladesh, Burma, Laos, Cambodia, Sri Lanka and Thailand. Soft grey-brown with a tan wash on the throat and black lows. Black and white wing pattern prominent in flight. Favors rocky or sandy islands in rivers but can also be found in marshes, estuaries and lakesides. Flight agile and erratic, resembling a bat or swallow, frequently flies in flocks at dusk. Their calls are like locally named Punchi, Javasariya. I have not seen a small Pratincole. When it's come to bird watching, one of the most important destinations is Kumaran National Park. Located east to Yala National Park, this is a must-stop place for any bird-loving tourist.